Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you a special unboxing edition. Okay, this is actually a Mary Kay gift. Okay, it's from Mary Kay, and thank you Mary Kay for sending me this. Okay, this is actually a seminar gift, okay, that we attend the previous time. Okay, so this is a career seminar gift. Okay, so I'm going to show you how is this all about. Okay, so let me grab a scissors. Okay. Ta-da! Okay, this is a jewelry case. Wow, it's so pretty. Okay, I'll show you how it looks like. Okay, ta-da! Okay, so yeah, okay, so thank you Mary Kay. Okay, wow, I can put all my my accessories, especially Mary Kay ring, Mary Kay diamond ring. Yay, pretty. This is actually in baby pink color. Yeah, then you can see this logo is in gold hardware. Yeah, so nice, right? Wow, pretty. Bye bye.